this G37. I'm gonna get pictures of it, so it's probably like the last one, midway through lowering. This is the right height. Factory. Probably good POV, I guess. Right here. Be low-key sick, so probably not. But yeah, I load this joint. I'm about to see. I don't know how to record the process, but think about it. Sure. So it was them 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3. That one right there. 14s, what else? 10s, not 12, 14, 12. And what this is. 3/4 of that big one that goes on the bottom strut that I had to get, and you got these 3 top ones. I think they're 12 millimeters, but I put a half on it because it's nearby. I'm on a sniffle. Coughing, but she should come out now. Stop it. This thing bottom sway bar right here. I'm messing with it. I keep taking control. And the top ball joint too, 14. I'm gonna show you this out. That's not bad. Hose is good. No doubt. As I get another one of these to the other side, and maybe it didn't flash out. I'm sorry about how I'm talking. It's kind of sick, but yeah. That's what you gotta do to lower a G37 sedan. Let me show y'all something too. You'll probably not expect it. Not just the fugitives, you know, you can expect that. I'm surprised me talking about Saturday, but I'll get it done next day. But yeah, this price. Damn manual sedan. These are the coilovers he got. I'll pull them out, but y'all probably won't see that till the next video. I mean, next recording that tomorrow after work. Cause right now it's late. I'm not at work tomorrow morning, so. Here they go. I forget what he said they were. I think Rev 9 or something. Take it back. It's not Rev 9. It's Titan. I don't know. Sun. No, adjustable coilovers. And about to see what height they're at and let's put them on. Eventually adjust it. Right now, I'm not adjusting it. So let me just sit down. Yep, got it in there. So, this one, that was a 13, 16, 14 right here, them 3. That's a nut. These on, top ones are 14. And you got these 2, these 3, 12s. And a phone crack, so I'm gonna go ahead and grind this other side out. I ain't really know where I can put the camera, so yeah. Especially on my hoodie's cracked now. I'm just gonna just let it sit. I'll be back and lower it with y'all. Definitely lower. About what? 2 inches, 3 inches in the front. 2 fingers, I mean, not the inches. It's better. And it's dirty. This side is definitely a little lower. Why they raised the front right and a couple inches. I must let it soak first though. Use my good fingers. 2, 3. I'm almost 3, but it's 2. Let me try this time. 2, 3. All right, we're about to race this front right. But I'm gonna wait and let him figure out how he want it. Yeah, this one. That's how it's stance now, drag stance. But so just back that now. For reference, back is 4 fingers. When it's done, hopefully it's 2. But we're gonna knock this out, so I'm on a time crunch. It's lowered fully. See, 4 fingers, nope, 3. Yeah. Front's way lower though, so. Let me get out of here and get you on some good camera. Well, it's not the same car, because yeah, the car's not here. They busy, but damn, I just did this shot 3 times, but it's been like 8 months since I actually put the coilovers on, so you're gonna see a little jump. But the only thing really different is the Nismo wheels. I don't know why I'm studying, but I got a camera, that's why. Right now. Only thing different is the Nismo wheels, and yeah, you probably see how the car looks with the wheels, rollers. It's smart, it's on the block now. I don't know why, but see how it sounds. So let's get to it. Take off! right real quick. What is that name? Definitely not the right angles. I ain't go that side yet, Slime. So you just signed the fin?